exactly what the Saudi government did, which was completely wrong. There was a very big mistake, and that is that there are some things which are Allah's guidance about our personal life between God and the individual. No government, no society has any right to interfere in these matters. When governments are established, they do not refrain from interfering in personal matters. This is exactly what the Saudi government did, which was completely wrong. And thank God they have now come to their senses and ended it. The guidance given by the Prophet of Allah was in consideration of the travels of that time. Journeys in those days were made in caravans. It was possible to reach Mecca from Medina in 6 or 7 days. People had to camp in deserts and mountains at night. It was advised that women should take a close male relative with them to protect their honor and dignity. This advice was given considering the circumstances of that time. Travel has changed. Conditions have changed. The guidance of Allah, the guidance of Allah's Prophet will remain in its essence, and women and men will also adhere to it. But it was not the government's job to do that. Consequently, this worst situation arose, and I have seen it myself. In the past 40 to 50 years, people used to go for Hajj and falsely declared some of their close acquaintances as their Mahram. No government should interfere in personal matters. Remember, the government's intervention is only in 2 things. In Islam, it is also in 2 things, and the words government cannot go beyond this. One is that they legislate to prevent any violation of rights, and the other is to take action to prevent any harm against people's lives, property, and honor. No one else has the right to make any law, not any parliament, not America, not Britain, not Pakistan, not Iran, not Saudi Arabia. There are only 2 things on which lawmaking will be based: my or your personal matters. I need to perform Hajj, I need to perform Umrah. What actions do I need to take for that? What is my Lord's guidance for me? What should I keep in mind while praying? These are matters between me and my Creator. No government has the right to interfere in them. So, when the Saudi government intervened in many matters in 1917, it gradually became clear that it was neither written in Allah's book that they had to legislate on this matter, nor was it stated anywhere what law to make if women wanted to drive. This was actually an overreach of the government's authority, and just as overreaches are established, there